Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, go into settings, now scroll down and pick additional settings. Then languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. Pick theme and tap on the plus sign under my themes. Over here, pick a photo. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, Apply. As you can see, my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!